Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about packages in Python. Package is nothing but a directory or a folder which is a group of related modules. Okay, so in the previous class I have discussed about modules. What is a module and what are the types of modules? Those are user defined and predefined modules. Okay, so if you didn't watch, please go and watch. Okay, so here module is nothing but collection of classes, files as well as variables. Collection of predefined classes, predefined functions, predefined variable is nothing but module. So normally a Python file which consists classes, functions and variables is known as one module. Okay, so here package is nothing but a folder or a directory. So normally we have C directory, D directory in our computer, in our PC. Okay, so this D directory and C directory contains number of folders, and these number of folders contain number of files. So why we are maintaining folders instead of files? Okay, so we can directly save files into our directories, but we are maintaining folders to save collection of related files. For example, I have contain C folder. Okay, C language folder. All the related files, all the files related to C language I will store in this folder. Next I have Java folder. So all files related to Java I will store in this folder. Okay, so why we are storing into folders instead of storing files? Because ease of accessing. So if I want any Java file, I will go and check into this particular folder. If I want any C file, I will go and check into this particular folder. So ease of accessing, we are maintaining folder instead of files. Okay, so in the same purpose, package is nothing but collection of related modules. One package contains collection of related modules. Module is nothing but it is a collection of classes, functions and variables in a Python file. So Python file contains classes, functions and variables is known as module. Okay, and this package is one folder or a directory. We may consider this package is a one folder or one directory which contains collection of modules. For example, mod 1, mod 2. And also if you want to call it as a Python package, this folder, this directory must contain init.py. Okay, so here the extension is .py. The Python file contains .py extension. So this is a Python file, and whatever the folder or directory which contains init.py file, okay, init.py file, that is treated as, that is considered as Python package, and this file is empty. So you can open the Python editor and take one empty file, new file, and save this file as init.py, because the init.py file can be empty. So you need to save this file into this package. Okay, so and also mod 1, mod 2 files also saved into this folder or directory. So this particular folder or directory is known as package because it contains modules and as well as init.py. So every Python package must contain one init.py module, sorry, init.py file. Okay, so see this diagram. So here I am taking game as a package. So package name is user defined name. So you can give any name that you want. Okay. So here game is a package name. Okay. So what is package? Package is a collection of modules. So this is one module, this is one module, and this is one module. We may call it as it is a sub package. Sub package is also collection of modules. Okay. So here I am taking sound is one subpackage, image is one subpackage, level is one subpackage. Okay, so here sound package contains load.py file, play.py file, pause.py file. Okay, so these three py files or Python files are known as modules. Okay, so here sound is a package. Package contains collection of modules as well as init.py empty file. So this is known as one package. Next, image. So open.py is one image, change.py is one module, and close.py is also one module. And these modules, these package contains init.py empty file. So this is also known as one package. So collection of packages is known as subpackages is known as package. So the package may contain subpackages also, or the package is a collection of modules. It must contain init.py. Okay. So next, in the above figure, a Python module consists of several classes, functions, and variables. So these are the Python modules. These may contain several functions, classes, and variables, etc. So here package consists of related related modules and subpackages. The package consists of another package is known as subpackage. So here game is one package. Game package contains sound package. So this sound package is known as subpackage. Okay. So first, creating and accessing packages. So for creating packages, first you need to create one folder. Okay, first you need to create one folder either in C directory, D directory or E directory. So I am creating one folder and that folder name is pack1. Okay, pack1 is the folder name. You need to follow the identifier rules while naming the package name. So those rules are the package name must contain either alphabets, digits or underscore, but it cannot start with a digit. Okay, special symbols are not allowed, spaces are not allowed, reserved words are not allowed. Those are the rules. Okay, so if you want, you can check on my videos identifiers topic. Okay, so create a empty Python file inside pack1 folder, inside pack1 directory or folder. So this is my package. So in this package, first I am taking init.py empty file. Okay, so I am storing it into a pack1. Next step. So here init.py helps the interpreter. So what is an interpreter? Interpreter is a translator which is used to transfer the high level language to machine level language. So the interpreter identify it is a package. So the folder which contains init.py is known as package. So if the init.py empty means all the functions of modules will be imported. So if the init.py file is empty, then all the functions and variables and classes are imported. Okay, so next step. So after creating init.py, next you need to create two modules. We all know module. The module is a nothing but collection of variables, functions and classes. Okay, so it may contain variables or functions or classes. The Python file is known as module. Okay, so first you need to create two modules, mod1, mod2 and save into pack1. Okay, so already pack1 contain init.py empty file. Next you need to create mod1 and mod2. You need to save these two Python files into this folder. Okay, so I'm taking mod1.py and I'm defining one function def f1. Okay, so you need to use colon def f1. So inside the implementation is hello, this is module 1 in package 1. Okay, so next I am taking one more Python file. So here it contains one more function, that is f2 function. So here the implementation is hello, this is module 2 in package 1. So you need to save these two files into this package, mod 1 and mod 2. So here package is nothing but collection of modules, and also it contains init.py file. This is known as package. So what is the importance of package? So what is the need of package means? So here package name is pack1. So this pack1 contains module 1, module 2 and init. Okay, so if you import the package 1, you can access all the modules in the package 1. So till now we have discussed about module. For suppose mod 1. Module is nothing but classes, functions. Yes. So if you import this module, you can access classes and functions. But here the package contain module 1, module 2, module 3. So again module 1 contains classes and functions, module 2 contains classes and functions, module 3 also contain classes and function. So all these three modules are contained inside package. So if you import this package, you can access m1, you can access m2, you can access m3. So if you import a module, you can access variables and functions and classes of particular these module. But if you import the package, you can access the number of modules, functions, variables and classes. Okay, so clear? Next, so for importing, what is the code? What is the line? So here import module from package 1, access modules of package. Modules of package can be imported into our program by using these syntax. Okay, import package name. So directly you can use import package name. So here the package name is pack1. So if you given like this, you can access all the modules, functions, variables and classes. Next, import package name dot module name is mod1. So you can access the classes, functions and variables of only particular m1 mod 1 module. Okay, so again import package1.mod2. You can access the classes and functions of module 2. Or if you want to access the both modules, classes, functions, you can use import package name instead of module name. Okay, so next, so here the example. Okay, so here I am importing import package1 dot mod 1. Next I am importing import package1 dot mod 2. So instead of this, you can import like this: import pack1 means package name, next mod 1 comma mod 2. So I am importing two modules from package pack1. So now by using pack1 mod 1 f1. So mod 1 contains f1 function. So the f1 function contain hello, this is module 1 for package. Okay, so next I am accessing f2. This will be presented in a mod 2 file. So that mod 2 file contain within package 2. So package 2 dot mod 2 dot f2. So here it will print hello, this is module 2 in package 1. Okay, so in this way you can access the functions of modules by using package. Okay, we can also import the modules of package in another way by using from. Okay, so from import statement. So let's see the syntax. From package name dot module name import function name. Okay, so from package 1 dot module 1 import F1. So we are importing F1 from module 1 that is presented inside the package 1. Okay, so in the same way from package 1 dot mod 2 import F2. So I am importing F2 function that is presented inside the module 2, and the module 2 is presented inside the package 1. So you can use either this way or this way. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.